Hello, my name is Giovanni Cornejo, and this is my submission for Project Zero on search. I'll be going over each bullet point as per the specification now, but the first bullet point I want to go over is actually the last one. The CSS you write should resemble Google's own aesthetics. So I'll go ahead and show off each page so you can see this. I managed to get a lot of the colors as close as possible, and also made sure that the focus and hover effects for hyperlinks and inputs matched as well. This was done using a color picker and then choosing whatever CSS color matched the closest. So we go over to the advanced search, we can see all the focus elements have their borders change color, and even the submit button has its borders changed with this white outline. Okay. Next up is 2. Your website should have at least 3 pages. One for regular Google search called index.html. You can see that here. One for Google image search and one for Google advanced search. On the Google search page, there should be 2 links in the upper right of the page to go to image search and advanced search. So here I have this images, which will take you to images. And here I have this advanced search, which will take you to the advanced search. On each of the other 2 pages, there should be a link in the upper right to go back to Google search. So yeah, both of these had that Google search link here. Alright, so for 3, on the Google search page, the user should be able to type a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search results for that page. Like Google's own, your search bar should be centered with rounded corners, which it is. You can see that here with this outline. And the search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search, which it is here. Both buttons are. So we can test out this query by typing in cats and clicking on Google search. And you see it takes us directly to the page, and that our query has been filled with the word cats. We're taking to a bunch of stuff about cats. Okay, so number 4, on the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that page. So let's type in cats here, and we'll instead be taken to this image results page instead of the regular all page here. All right, now onto the advanced search. So on the Google advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. This is taken from Google's own advanced search options. Find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. You see we have all those input fields available here. And number 6, like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically, and all text fields should be left aligned. So these text fields are left aligned towards this label on the left here, and they're all stacked vertically. And then the advanced search button should be blue with the white text, which it is. So when the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search result page for their given query. So for my example, I'm just going to type in the provided example over here. So we're going to do tricolor rat terrier. So it's going to include or look for all of those words. It's going to try and find this exact phrase, and it's going to find any of these words. And we're not going to include rodents, and we're not going to include Jack Russell. Let me click Advanced Search, and you see our query has our regular query here, which is tricolor rat terrier. It has our exact word or phrase here, which is rat terrier. It has our any case, which is going to be miniature or standard, and it has our exclusion case, which is going to be not rodent and not Jack Russell. Okay, and then the last thing is the I'm feeling lucky button. So clicking this should take users directly to the first Google search results query, bypassing the normal results page. So let's go and try this with cats. And we're going to click I'm feeling lucky. We'll get this security thing, but we can just go to the page, which is this Wikipedia page for cat. And we can make sure that that was the exact first result by just going back and just typing in cats here, and then going to Google search. And besides these images, we can see that the first actual page is the Wikipedia page for cat. And this concludes the search demo.